Hi, everyone. My name is Daniel Stone, Principal Consultant, Two Birds, One Stone Learning. We are located in Columbus, Ohio, as well as online. Today, I'm going to show you how, as an independent contractor, language training consultant, how you would fill out your invoicing forms. So invoices go from the 21st of the month until the 19th of the following month. Around the 20th of every month is when payments go out. So it's important that when the 20th rolls around, this form that you're looking at is filled out completely. So as you can see here, we're looking at an invoicing form for the test person. So that as an independent contractor, you're going to put your name right there. We're looking at the invoicing form for November 2021. And we can see that from October all the way until up to around the 20th, November 18th, this tutor took care of the following lessons. It looks like they have they have a adult lesson with a student, Hiroko Sato. Also, they have a family that they are tutoring, the Chinone family. And it tells you how long these lessons are lasting. And these numbers are just here for the sake of having some numbers. Clearly, the pay is different than this number right here. But as you can see, we have all this information filled out. But as you can also see, on the 28th of October, we have 0. And we should have some sort of note that tells us this is a makeup. So we would say canceled in advance. So you'd want to make sure that that is done. So I'll know what's going on. As well, you want to make put this down here as a lesson that you need to make up. So this goes below the last lesson. Makeup lessons are to be done within 60 days of the time that it was canceled. All canceled lessons must be done 24 hours in advance. So we have everything filled out. So it's really also important that you have all this filled out correctly. And when you have this filled out, you want to make sure that all cells, so we have the F5 all the way down to the F12. You want to make sure that that formula is set up correctly. So we have this form that is the responsibility of the independent contractor. And then there is a step-by-step process on how to prepare your invoicing form for the following month. As you can see, everything's right here in black and white. You would click on the bottom tab, do a right click, then I would do a duplicate. And as you can see, we have a copy of this. And then I would do another right click, and then I would click on rename. And then I would put in the information down here that I would need to make this represent the following month. And that is how we are to do it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And that will do it for today. Thanks again for watching.